If you're thinking about buying Webflow for your landing page needs, there are a few things you should know before making your decision. Whether you're comparing it to other landing page builders like Wix or Squarespace, it's essential to get the full picture of Webflow's features and limitations. First, Webflow offers an incredibly robust design tool that gives you total control over your landing page layout. If you're used to more template-driven platforms like Wix, you might find the freedom Webflow provides exciting. But it also means there's a bit of a learning curve, and you'll need to be prepared to spend time getting familiar with the interface. Next, Webflow's pricing model can be confusing at first. While it has a free plan, it's limited in functionality. To unlock the full potential of Webflow, you'll need to subscribe to one of its premium plans. Depending on your needs, this could be more expensive than some of its competitors, especially if you're just looking to create simple landing pages. The third thing to consider is Webflow's hosting. Unlike other platforms like Wix, which offer free hosting with their plans, Webflow requires you to pay for hosting separately. This can be a deal breaker for those who want everything in one package. If you don't mind handling the hosting separately, Webflow's hosting performance is solid, but keep that cost in mind. The fourth thing to note is Webflow's CMS functionality. While it's great for more complex websites, it's not as intuitive or easy to use as platforms like WordPress or Squarespace for beginners. If you're looking for a simple landing page without any CMS features, Webflow might offer more complexity than you need. Next, Webflow allows for extensive customizability. If you're a developer or a designer, Webflow's code export feature is a huge advantage. You can create your custom code, making the platform ideal for those who want to fine-tune every aspect of their design. However, if you're not familiar with coding, this feature might not be necessary for you. Another point is Webflow's responsive design features. You can create designs that automatically adjust to mobile devices, which is crucial in today's market. Compared to other platforms, Webflow's responsive design is more customizable and precise. However, be prepared for some trial and error if you're new to responsive design. The seventh thing to be aware of is Webflow's e-commerce capabilities. While it offers the ability to build online stores, it's not as feature-rich as dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify. If you're focused on landing pages rather than an entire e-commerce site, Webflow may still suit your needs, but don't expect Shopify-level integrations and tools. Next, Webflow's collaboration features allow teams to work together on the same project, which is excellent for agencies or businesses with multiple contributors. However, this comes at a higher price point compared to platforms like Wix or Squarespace, which offer similar functionality in their mid-tier plans. The ninth thing is Webflow's SEO tools. It's very powerful in terms of customization, allowing you to edit meta tags, alt text, and more. But if you're looking for a beginner-friendly platform that handles SEO automatically, Webflow might be overkill for your needs. Next up is Webflow's customer support. While Webflow offers support through email and forums, it doesn't provide live chat or phone support unless you subscribe to one of their higher-tier plans. If quick support is important to you, this is something to consider compared to platforms like Wix, which offer more accessible customer service. The 11th thing is Webflow's integrations. While it integrates with many third-party tools like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and Zapier, it lacks native integrations for certain platforms. If you're heavily reliant on specific integrations, check if Webflow supports them. Finally, Webflow is a great option for those who want full creative control over their landing pages. But it does require a bit more time, effort, and potentially money compared to simpler platforms like Wix or Squarespace. So, is Webflow the right choice for you? It's an excellent option for designers and businesses looking for total control over their landing pages. But if you want a better option with more simplicity and a lower cost, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.